Left shoulder, right shoulder, left shoulder, right shoulder. Two and them in the ear. Then to your chest and bring it a little closer.
Welcome back, all of my viewers and all of my subscribers. You know the style at the trendy dancehall, you see me? And naturally, me I gotta ask you to subscribe if you're new. You see free, so I could jump in it like this now. So Stylo J make a recent post on Instagram with him juvenile, you see me? Which me never really did know say him have no youth. You see me, so big, you see me? And but I say him never have no youth or whatsoever, but I just a post and everything where count, you see me, cause the dog come and say, what make you not think more work so hard? You see me? And dog say we used to take bus and now we are emoji with a face, you see me, so that simple means say you a different lifestyle.
Start a new spaceship. There you go.
What?
Yeah, man. There you go.
Pombo class!
Start by itself, you know? Warning.
No jokes, people. The man says him touch your ground. As him touch your ground, brother, him cap this. You see me? Yeah, man, you look good, man, and worse, you know, say you have your youth to live for and your family. Not on a nice, you know, people. You see me? Yeah, man, I eat, man, mad. So, watch a pray out. Next, you got to talk about Intence and him new single called Through the Gate. And I'm going to show you how him this up some artists in this is it.
The whole of them a cartoon, real animation. To dance all them a one big abomination. I fight for this, me never get no nomination. From a gate, the break straight acceleration.
Alright, a mad thing, people. So what you know now, Intence link with Alka, everybody know that is it. So you might go get couple backlash, you know, go tell no lie, you see me, but he's a smart individual, you see me. And when him a drop some song, it come like Alka, him not call no name, and you not get no forward, but what? Just wall couple lines, you see me, way night, and it have to connect people, have to wonder. You see me, so it's either between Kartel drop some animation in I don't know Kartel did show some shades of either this Intence, you see me, differently, you see me, so if I him or the boy Savage, you see me, cause Savage, them man they fuck animation race, all them money with the animation day in day out, you see me, but Vybz Kartel now have a choice, you see me, but I feel like a Savage that one you go to, you see me, yeah man. And the song wicked enough people, when I want to take a dog light, you know, Intence, you see me. So if you don't listen to that song, you can go listen it, you see me, and tell me what you think. Is it?
If I know Indonesia, I Vietnam, my shoes, they make me now no imitation. Fly out, no need no stamp, no need no immigration. Yeah, ain't pushing on my brain, me use.
Watch it differently enough people. You see me, if you make it this far in the video, just know the best part this, you see me. I know the people them love the mix up. I don't know why, but hear what this is the latest. So we all know Vybz Kartel son get a girl pregnant, you see me? A 18-year-old girl by the name of Kayla, you see me? So like she make a post on her Instagram snap basically, you see me? I show some shade, so I don't know where really I go on, so I don't know, so I'm going to show you first and then I tell you what me think. You see me? Alright, so check out this you know. So this are the post that was made, me read it out, you see me? So she say, yo, so because I find out you have a woman, this are the outcome, SMH, man a dirt, you see me? Yeah man, but me have enough sense when I say all who are gone, this can plan. By the whole of them and say shorty, Likkle vibes and the whole of them and say, because we are going to mash up the media. You know, you see me? You know them love no fuckery, you see me? Yeah man, you are 15, you see me? So I expect my girl, the dog, I go wild out here, you know? You have to understand that, you know, if it real, you see me? Yeah dog, so girl I go say, yo, show me a nigga we have one girl. Well, show me a girl we have one man. If I so be the case, you see me? So, at the end of the video, these people, you see me? So, You know the style is, you me. Like it up, subscribe and share to a friend, a family, it doesn't matter. Is me. So I hope you enjoy the rest of the night, you know the style. The trendy dancehall. Buenos noches.